Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jolynn Marie and I'm so excited to bring you guys another lifestyle video today. This video I'm going to show you guys how I deep clean my refrigerator, my freezer, as well as my stove as I'm preparing to move out of my apartment. This video actually was pre-recorded a few months ago, and unfortunately but finally I'm just now completing the editing of it. But I'm back and I'm ready to go with producing more videos. So as you can see, I'm just kind of showing you the before picture of my refrigerator. It's very cluttered with all kinds of grocery, with all kinds of stuff, actually old grocery, new grocery. So I'm going to be going in here and just getting rid of all of the old things that I don't really need or don't plan on eating, and just really kind of downsizing everything because, like I said, I'm getting ready to move. And then as you can see, I'm also getting ready to I'm also showing you the stove top. Yes, it's pretty bad, so those drip pans actually might have to get replaced. Actually, they will be replaced. And then I'm going to show you my stove, which is even worse. So as you can see, all kinds of stains on the stove, inside the stove. Yeah, so I'm going to take you guys on this little journey or tutorial, whatnot, and show you guys how I deep clean this oven. And as you can see, like I said, there's stains everywhere, and so I'm gonna try to make this oven look as good as new, so that way we can get ready to turn the apartment over. And then here are the items that I will be using to go on ahead and do this deep clean. So as you can see, I have this brown scrub. You can use this, but I also recommend you use a pot scraper as well for the oven. You'll also need this easy off cleaner, which is perfect for oven cleaning. Basically what you do is you spray it in there maybe the night before and let it sink in there and kind of lift up all the debris, and it's going to come right off whenever you get ready to wipe it. I'm also going to use this Fabuloso, which gives the cleaning a really good fragrance. And then also this Mr. Clean as well. It's a really great multi-surface cleaner, so you can use it for both the oven and the refrigerator as well. And last but not least, I'll be using Spick and Span, which is a great antibacterial cleaner. It kills viruses and bacteria, and with this coronavirus thing going on, you want to try to sanitize everything. So and I recommend also using heavy duty kitchen gloves. So that way when you're cleaning the oven, it'll serve as an extra layer of protection for your fingers. And then here are these chests. I'm actually going to use that to put all my groceries, or fit as much as my groceries in there as I possibly can. So here what you see me doing is just trying to get all of the condiments on the side of the refrigerator into those chests, and I'm going to fit a lot of the main stuff in there as well. So while I'm doing that, I want to see, how are you guys doing? I know I have not been on here in a while. Actually, in a few months, I had to step away and just kind of take care of some personal things. But like I said before, I am definitely back and ready to go with these videos. So I just wanted to see how you guys have been holding up with this whole coronavirus thing. I know it just really hit us this year with everything going on, and so I just wanted to check in and see if everybody's doing okay. I'm actually doing okay. I look forward to the rest of this year and everything that I plan to accomplish. So I hope you guys are also still, keeping in touch with your goals and making sure that you're just continuing to move forward, because that's the most important thing in this time. So after I removed all of the groceries out of the refrigerator, now I'm tackling the sides of the refrigerator door, just making sure that it is thoroughly clean, making sure that I'm getting all the hidden crevices, all the stains that are on the shelves. I tried to remove those little shelves, the shelf sides, but unfortunately, I couldn't get them off, so I just had to work around it. But you want to just make sure you're cleaning inside each and every crevice, just to make sure that, there's no hidden or concealed stains in the refrigerator. I'm also here now breaking down the refrigerator by removing these grates or removing these shelves out of the refrigerator. I'm going to place those in the sink to be thoroughly cleaned as well. I'll show you guys that process later. But basically, I'm going to start by wiping the bottom tray, just making sure I get off all the debris that was just sitting there. And by the way, I'm using, I know you can't really see me, using the solution that I'm using, but basically all the products that I showed you guys earlier, I just kind of combined all of them in a bowl, and that's what I'm kind of dipping my scrubber in, just to kind of wash or wipe the refrigerator. So I'm going to continue this process of scrubbing down the refrigerator and ultimately break down the refrigerator to get to the backbone structure to clean that as well. You guys, as I mentioned before, I'm now cleaning out the trays and the shelving that was in the bottom part of the refrigerator. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to put everything back in the refrigerator and then start in the freezer part. All right, you guys, so now we're in the freezer part of this video where I'm going to be cleaning my freezer. But while I'm doing that, I just wanted to remind you guys that this is my second lifestyle video. The first lifestyle video that I did was a DIY kitchen countertop makeover. That was actually my first YouTube video that I've ever made. And that video was so successful. I got so many views. But if you guys hadn't checked out that video, then definitely go ahead and do that. Before you do that, make sure you continue to watch this video to the end. And if you like this video and you want to see more videos like it, then definitely go ahead and hit that like button, as well as leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Let me know if you had any questions. And if you want to see more videos like this, then definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button, so that way every time I upload a video, you will be notified. So the second part of this video is going to be about the stove cleaning. I'm not going to do any talking actually on the second part because I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory. But again, if you guys have any questions, then definitely leave me a comment down below.